Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dryer door catch. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door catch. The door catch holds the dryer door closed. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and the door is not closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dryer door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the door catch. First, we have to take this little trim piece off. We're just going to get behind it with a small flathead screwdriver and pop it off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. And the door catch clips in on the top and the bottom. So we're just going to use the small flathead screwdriver to push down on these retaining clips. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dryer. Here's the old door catch next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door catch in, we're going to put it in sideways like this and then turn it so the lower clip locks in. And then we can take the small flathead screwdriver and push down on the upper clip so it locks in. Once you have it locked in, we can put the cover on. All you have to do is line the cover up and snap it on. Once you have it snapped in, you close the dryer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.